The Age of Automation: Understanding Machine Replacement. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very topical subject: machine replacement. This concept is becoming increasingly important in our world, and understanding it can help us navigate the changes it brings. So, let's explore what machine replacement means, its implications, and examples in real life. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, this video is designed to clarify this modern phenomenon. Machine replacement refers to the process of replacing human labor with machines or automation in various industries and sectors. This trend is driven by technological advancements that enable machines to perform tasks faster, more accurately, and often at a lower cost than human workers. It's important to understand that machine replacement isn't just about robots. It includes software, artificial intelligence, AI, and other forms of automation that can do jobs previously done by people. There are several reasons why businesses and industries opt for machine replacement. The primary motivation is often efficiency and cost reduction. Machines can work 24/7 without breaks, don't require salaries, and can often produce higher quality work with fewer errors. Additionally, automation can take over dangerous or repetitive tasks, reducing workplace injuries and improving overall safety. The impact of machine replacement is multifaceted. On one hand, it can lead to significant economic growth and innovation, opening up new industries and opportunities. On the other hand, it can also result in job displacement, where workers find their skills no longer needed. It's a complex issue that sparks debates about the future of work, the need for reskilling, and the role of education in preparing for a world where machines play a larger role. Let's look at some examples to better understand machine replacement. Manufacturing: automated assembly lines where robots build cars or electronics, significantly increasing production speed and consistency. Retail: self-checkout kiosks and online shopping platforms reducing the need for cashiers and sales staff. Healthcare: AI diagnostics tools that can analyze medical data with high accuracy, supporting doctors in making better decisions. Machine replacement is a powerful trend shaping our future, with both challenges and opportunities. By understanding what it entails, we can better prepare for the changes it brings to our workplaces and society. Remember, the goal isn't to resist automation but to adapt and find new ways to thrive alongside machines. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating world of machine replacement. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.